whole purpose for this YouTube channel is to bring you guys value for free. What's up, guys? I am here doing a quote, and I thought I'd bring you along. It's for pressure cleaning some docks, which is not something we typically do, but we do a lot of work in this neighborhood. And this neighborhood has basically, they call it a marina, but it's like 14 boat slips, and they want to restain their docks this year, so I'll bring you along. See if I can not get yelled at this early in the morning. I apologize if it's a little shaky. I'm shooting this on my cell phone. So basically, this whole dock here, walking out, which our water source is going to be that house up there, so that's a pretty long run, but we have enough hose. So this whole dock here, the nice thing about this is I can stick one guy in this job, even if it's for, oh, I don't know how long this will take. Could probably do this all in one day. For sure. It is a long run though. The biggest problem with a job like this is getting enough hoses, dragging the pressure cleaner out here, set up, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna do all those. Man, it's beautiful out today. All those. Comment below, guys, if you kind of give me an idea what you would charge. I know it's probably a little bit challenging. This is just a real wood dock, not doing the posts, just doing the floors. They're gonna be restaining everything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basically 7 extensions on the left side, none on the right in this long runway. So why don't you guys put in the comments below, if you're a pressure cleaner, what you would charge to pressure clean this. I think one guy can do, it might be a lot for one day, but it'd be close, probably a day and a half worth of work for one guy. So yeah, I'll let you guys know once I put this quote together what we're gonna charge for it. But before I do that, I would love to hear what you're gonna charge for it. Before I get off here, man, just look how beautiful it is out today. Just gorgeous out. Nice houses. Springtime in Michigan, finally. Getting over the snow. So, love you guys. Talk to you soon. See ya.